the Bible commentary sabi dito, this sense of unworthiness is the first reaction in the human heart when God, through His Spirit, begins His work of transforming the character. Wonderful. Ano sabi? Ito po ang magiging reaction ng isang tao kapag ang banal na Espiritu ay nagsisimulang gumawa sa kanyang puso para baguhin ang kanyang pagkatao. So, ibig sabihin, kapag hindi natin nararamdaman ito, na ipinakita na ng Diyos ang tunay nating pagkatao, tayo ay nagmamataas pa rin. The Holy Spirit is not working. The mind is made up against the will of God. God can do nothing for the man who does not first feel his need of salvation. Only, sabi ng Bible commentary, this day Bible commentary, ang Diyos ay walang magagawa sa isang tao na hindi muna niya nararamdaman ang pangangailangan niya ng kaligtasan. Yun lamang kinikilala niya, kailangan niya ang Diyos. Doon naman, magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Sige, let's continue. Mga kapatid, ang isa sa malaking problemang sinusolve ng Panginoon sa buong universe ay itong problema ng made-up mind. Now, we can call it sometimes stubbornness, katigasan ng puso o ng pag-isip. Bakit? It took him thousands or even millions of years to solve this problem until now. How? Si Jesus Christ mismo pumunta dito. But Lucifer's mind, or Satan's mind, is already made up. Anong sabi niya? I will not worship you. You worship me. When Jesus appeared, He said, Jesus, this earth is mine. Wow. You see, that is the problem with the made-up mind. You continue believing and you deceive yourself. Do you understand? Is that clear? The problem with a made-up mind against the will of God is it becomes self-deception. Pandaraya at panluloko sa sarili. Bakit? You can no longer differentiate what is right and what is wrong. Para sa iyo, it's all right. Lahat tama. So when Jesus Christ appeared, Lucifer said to him, you worship me because I own this earth. And until now, si Lucifer, even after the millennium, Satan won't give up because the mind is already made up. It becomes self-deception. He won't admit because his stubbornness and a made-up mind will say, I am right, I am sure, very sure right, and you are sure, very sure wrong. Can you see that? Because the mind is already made up. Mga kapatid, the scribes and Pharisees, nakita nila yung milagro ni Jesus Christ. Nakita nila yung ginawa kay Peter. Parang anong nangyari? They were used by Satan to crucify Jesus Christ. They said, crucify him, crucify him. Nakita nila ang dignity ni Jesus Christ when they put the crown on his head. Nakita nila kung paano magmahal si Jesus Christ. But those were neglected, were ignored. Why? Why, mga kapatid? Because the mind were already made up against God. I want, please allow me, mga kapatid, to have a pointed question this morning. Yung inyong pong church board, and I believe not only church board, ay nagplano pong magkaroon ng campaign. The campaign is not for me. Inuulit ko po, I will just be here for a few days. But kayo ay magtatagal dito hanggang plano niyong magtrabaho at manirahan. My question is this, allow me. Is your mind made up for or against the campaign? Is your mind made up to invite friends, relatives, and acquaintances o mga nakilala niyo po? Is your mind made up for or against? Mag-i-invite po ba kayo? Ulitin ko. Ilan po sa inyo nagpaplano ipanalangin ang campaign? I want to see hands. Bless your hands. How many of you, by God's grace, would like to pray and invite somebody to attend? Now, a pointed question. How many of you here would like to invite yourself to attend? Kasi mga kapatid, the prayer of the psalmist is this: Lord, I am not worthy. You know my thoughts afar off. Psalms 139, sabi niya dito, Iyo, Panginoon, iyong siniyasat ako at nakilala ako. Iyong nakilala ang aking pagpupo at ang aking pagtindig. Iyong nauunawa ang aking pag-iisip sa malayo. Iyong siniyasat ang aking landas at ang aking higaan, at iyong kilala ang lahat kong mga lakad. Sapagkat wala pa ang salita sa aking dila, ngunit narito, Panginoon, nagtatalastas mo ng buo, kumpleto. Saan ako paroroon na mula sa iyong espiritu? O saan ako tatakas na mula sa iyong harapan? Brothers and sisters, there was a change in the life of Peter and the other disciples.